Press the top to remove the bottle. Fill the bottle with fragrance oil. Turn on, off the device. Touch and hold the switch button for 3 seconds to turn on OFF the device. Charge the device. When the device is out of power, please plug in the power cable to charge it in time. The blue light on the charging port will flash while charging. The light will stop flashing when fully charged. Set the scent gear. Touch the oil drop icon to choose the scent gear. There are 3 gears in total. The length of the blue light represents different gears. The details of different gears are as following.